This is going to be a startup and shutdown of another one of our 2008 3-ton Goodman central air conditioners. That was surprisingly quick. And this one just shut off. All of our units have Copeland reciprocating compressors, except that one down by the shop that got it replaced with a scroll. They all use R22 refrigerant, and they all have an efficiency ratio of 13. And this is a straight cool unit, not a heat pump. It's matched up with a Goodman gas furnace. This one is a 2008 2-ton 13 SEER Goodman heat pump. I'll definitely get a defrost cycle on this one this winter. And this is the exact same unit as that one right there. This is the unit right here that I got a startup shutdown earlier today. That got the compressor replaced. See, it's got a scroll. That's It's awesome. It really is. This one has the suction accumulator and also an internal filter dryer. All of the units have those. The filter dryers. Okay, let's shut it down. Did not have to turn the thermostat down. It just turned on its own. So that was kind of a lucky startup. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.